So, welcome back to my studio, which is my hallway floor. I thought about making a market analysis video, trades I'm looking at, setups I'm waiting for. Shouldn't take long. So let's just get right into it. I am currently doing a new challenge, new My Forex Funds challenge. Unfortunately, I'm in a drawdown. Had a rough start and haven't been able to find much winning trades. So first day started with, oh God, come on. Where's my phone? Hold on, I'll have to pause this for a second. So started a new challenge and took a NZD CAD sell. It was actually was a good setup, and it went into profit. And this trade was actually $200 in profit. Might have been a good idea to close, but it stopped out. It was $200 in profit. I should have at least put a break-even stop on it, but it closed it closed in a stop loss. And then I took two JPY trades, which didn't work out. I think it was EJ and CHF JPY. I think it was, yeah. And then I took the NZD CAD sell again, thinking it was a stop hunt, which it wasn't. And then, yeah, it was a rough start. Then I had a win. I don't even remember. Anyway, I'll post the latest. Give me a sec. So this is, I had a win on NZD CAD. Yeah, the price came down again. Decided to take another shot at it and decided to add NZD JPY, which I closed them at both the same time, leaving me with $70 in profit for the day. And then on Friday, I took a GJ sell and this GBP CHF sell, which is currently in profit, and GJ stopped me out, only to go back into the entry, so that happened. But regarding the setups I'm looking for, let's go over this. I'm actually more trading on a daily and H4 and looking at entries on H1 now. So I'm mostly trading daily and H4 zones because that's usually those zones hold the most weight, in my opinion, in my experience as well, and the trades on those zones are more likely to work out than on, in the middle of a range H1 zones. So let's go over these pairs quickly. It's only 27 pairs, yeah. So nothing on here that I'm looking for. So this already bounced at this daily zone, and I don't see any divergence. So I'm not gonna take this trade. There's not a trade to take. Actually, it has already bounced from the daily zone. So JPY pairs are actually looking pretty decent. This is also in a daily resistance. There is a slight hidden divergence here. I'm not sure if this is the setup I'm looking for. I might think usually Monday is a fake out day. Mondays aren't really my days. So I'm thinking this might bounce here, make a second wick or something like that. So my prediction on AJ is something like this, but as far as divergence goes, I don't see any particularly good setup. Anyway, I'm not gonna be too focused on this one. Now, CAD JPY on the other hand seems more appealing, and if you pay close attention, there's actually a daily divergence forming with a tweezer top with a bearish engulfing. So I know it technically cuts through here a little bit, but let's see if we can find no divergence on H1 and the divergence on H1. So what I will be looking for, I'm gonna mark this up. What I will be looking for, if price could come back a bit up and then drop, so somewhere in that range, somewhere in that area, I would, even if price comes back to this zone here, it's kind of an H1 zone, comes back to retest it, maybe it does a second wick here somewhere. It's actually an M here as well. So if price could come back up a bit, make a wick here, something, then I would be looking to take this trade. This is actually, I have a good feeling about this. So CAD CHF in the middle of the range, not looking to trade anything. CHF JPY, I've been waiting for this setup for like almost half a month now. This is a daily divergence and an H4 divergence, if I remember correctly. Yep, you know, price is going up here and price is coming down here. So, and it's at the daily zone. So I'm pretty confident it's gonna drop. It's gonna do something. It's probably gonna, you know, bounce from this area of support here, probably, and come back up a bit and then drop. So I will be looking for that. This is a daily divergence with a massive daily M pattern, so I don't even, at this point with this setup, I mean, I'm not even looking for H1 divergences, because this is a massive daily divergence. So, and even a weekly divergence if you look at that. So yeah, probably gonna take this trade on Monday. I'll mark this up. So CHF pairs are looking pretty decent for sells. Euro USD, Euro AUD, not anywhere good particularly. So there's technically divergence here, but that's already so far gone, so I'm not going to be too focused on this pair. Euro NZD, not near any good zones. Probably Euro GBP probably gonna drop something, maybe come back to retest this zone here and then drop. So if this zone here becomes significant, which it already is, if I get a clear indication that it's gonna drop, yeah, then I'll take this sell, but not gonna be too focused on that. Euro CAD. kind of a messy zone. Yeah. I've been waiting for Euro CHF to touch this zone like forever now. And there's even divergence here, so this could be a good buy here. Good opportunity to buy. Good buy. Yeah, gonna mark this up. Euro JPY in the middle of the range, not taking any trades, most likely. GU, not very convinced. So I got no clear zone and no clear indication to buy. Currently in this trade right now, this is probably gonna hit my take profit. It's at 63 right now. The take profit is 150. GJ. This divergence here was so bad. Actually, I should not have taken this trade in the first place. So we got no good divergence here. So I'm probably gonna stay away from this pair. And NZD and AUD have been screwing around like forever now. I really wish that they would decide on a direction, because they're just horsing around. You will see in a second. Actually, this one, the NZD CHF, I'm actually pretty bearish on. If I could get a divergence here, if this price, god damn it, bounces from here, makes a second high. Oh wait. Yeah. No. This is... There's no divergence here right now. If I get a divergence here somehow, then I will take the sell. Right now it's not looking very good. It's at the data zone, so if you're just trading breaks and retests of zones, then yeah, sure, go for it. But I only trade when there's divergence, so right now there's no divergence. I don't see any. So simple. I'm not gonna trade this pair or this setup. NZD CAD. So I took this sell from here. It went into profit, then stopped out. Then I took this sell over here, closed profit in here, and then it, just went back up. So I don't know where this pair is going. So zones I'm looking for, maybe here and probably here somewhere. So it's in the middle of range, not gonna do anything. So is this one. It technically has bounced around this area, but I got other JPY pairs lined up, so this is just too cheesy for me. And USD JPY, it's at the daily zone with daily divergence. So, but yeah, the price action it broke the zone. So I got other JPY pairs. This one, there's two ways this could work out. I mean, I've seen setups like this where this divergence here is valid. It just drops below this zone, right? Then in other occasions it makes an M here and then drops. right now I see this happening more. I see this happening more likely, so I'm gonna stay away. In the middle of the range and nowhere near a zone I would like to trade. So that concludes my analysis. So I got 4 setups I'm looking for, 3 setups I'm looking for, and 1 trade I'm in right now. So I'm looking for this buy here, even though I'm in at the sell on GBPCHF. But I'm hoping this is gonna, hit take profit before this sell opportunity here takes place. And I'm looking for 2 sells on not two sells on JPY pairs. So that's it. Simple. Playing an infinite game. I got 2 mindset videos uploaded that I need to make some adjustments, and then I'll make them public. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Can I hit yeah, whatever. I'll see you in the next video. So if you got any value, feel free to hit the like, and if you didn't, then don't. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Straight safe.